Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today guys we'll be doing an awesome video review about a product that everybody should have, dash camera guys. Nowadays you can prove so many things if something happens on the road, if you get hit or something like that with the dash camera. And we're always switching vehicles guys, so I was looking for one that's easy to install and switch from one vehicle to another, and I found this one. Okay, right here by AZDOME. This is the model number GS65H. More information will be in the description of the video. First impression guys, you open, you see a nice box, you see the manual right here, so that's good. Okay, camera itself. Okay, let's look at it quick. It says Full HD 1080p. Okay, you can see that's the front lens, that's a 150-degree angle, and the rear one is the one that records in the vehicle. It's supposed to be 130 degree. We have the box with all the hardware here. We have a long cable, but I believe we will be using the short one because I'm planning on switching them from one vehicle to another. Okay, this is the mount, and now we get to the point that how easy it's to switch from one vehicle to another, because this one comes with a suction cap. It's a really well built suction cap. It's not a double-sided tape that you have to scrape every time off your windshield and install a new one if you need to switch it. And we have a short cable that we'll be using, and those mounts right here are really cool about the cable. If you install it on the windshield, you can feed the cable through those and hold it in place. Also, you have the USB charging, dual USB charging port right here that comes free with the camera. Okay, we're going to remove all the protective films now from the suction cap, from the lens on the front, and the one on the rear camera as well. Okay, and we'll be using the short cable today guys, and we'll show you how to install the mount as well. Okay, the cable plugs in right there in the USB. You need to get a SD card as well, micro SD card, and it supports up to 64G card. Okay, and you need to press it in all the way. I cannot get it with one hand until it clicks. Okay, and it's secured in place. The mount, okay, you just slide it there and you can change the angle, and it's twisting as well. You can see a really cool feature. Okay, we are ready to install it, and we'll just go ahead and plug it in. We have a USB outlet in the vehicle right here, and now we are going to install it right there. Okay, you just twist to the right and it locks the suction cap in place. Super simple design. Okay guys, we're going to go ahead and turn it on now. Okay, let's see how that thing works now. Okay, you can see we have the double vision now. Okay, one on the front, one on the back. You can see me holding the camera. Okay, and the car as well. So now let's go to the menu quick. Okay, and see what kind of features we have in it. Okay, so if you click M for menu right here, you can see you have the different settings here. Okay, you can go to resolution, dual record. That's what we have right now. Okay, let me actually go to resolution and see. Okay, we have it at 1080p right now. Okay, dual record, it's on. You can have a single record if you want. Loop recording, that's the cool feature guys right here. Really cool feature. You never have to worry about not having enough space, because when you set the loop recording, it's going to loop every 3 minutes, and if your SD card gets full, it deletes the first 3 minutes and it starts recording again. You can have time-lapse camera, exposures, motion detection. Okay, right here, that's really cool as well. It can turn on and off on its own if it detects motion. Let's see, if you park your vehicle and somebody hits it, it's going to turn on. And here is the G sensor, and it even has a parking guard function. Okay, let's turn ours on. And the G sensor, I usually leave it at medium on my cameras. Okay, like that. And you can of course do your beep, language, date and time. Okay, let me go to language so you know what to expect. Okay, these are the languages that it offers. Okay, you can see quite a few languages. So I'm going to set the time and let's see what the quality of the video looks like. Okay, and we're ready to just mount it quick. Okay, you can see how quick that thing is. It doesn't take much time at all. And if you feed the long cable, you don't even have to worry about having a cable in the way, but I'm just switching it from one vehicle to another. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.